Welcome to the wonderful world of Wendy. In this episode, we will be making Dole Whip because I miss Disney and I've always wanted to learn how to make it. So I've been looking and investigating and I've decided to make mine with natural ingredients and no ice cream. So we're going to see how it turns out. If you're wondering what the deal is with the ears, well, we're making a Disney dessert. And I was wearing it earlier for a TikTok. I joined that crazy social media experiment over there and been having a lot of fun with it. So I will leave the link down below to my TikTok and you can see how I incorporated the ears along with wearing my wedding dress. It was interesting. All right, so let's get started. I just got pixie-fied, pixie dusted. All right, I'm about to try one of these Dragon Balls. Oh, look at this, she is good! What you'll need a blender. I also have a magic bullet, but I don't think it's going to be big enough, so I'm going to use the good old blender. You're going to need sugar. I did think about using fake sugar, but I'm like, you know what, let's just make the real deal and see what happens. So we're gonna use some sugar. You'll need some lime juice. You can use real or the bottle kind. I'm just gonna use the bottle kind to save some time, as well as some lemon juice. You will also need some coconut milk. All right, let's get started. Oh wait, the most important ingredient, hello. Frozen pineapple. My husband just bought the pineapple from Publix and we froze it. You could probably also find pre-frozen Dole in the frozen section of your supermarket. Okay, I figured out how to show it to you this way. So first, you're going to put the pineapple, the coconut milk, the sugar, the lemon juice, the lime juice, and some salt into here, and then we're gonna blend it all. So we're starting off with 2 cups of frozen pineapple. All right, that's probably about 1 cup. All right, I'm gonna call that 2 cups. That was a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. Next, we need a 1/3 of a cup of coconut milk. There's my 1/3 of a cup. All right, there's the 1/3 of a cup of coconut milk. Next up is 3 tablespoons of the sugar. There's 1. Here's 2. Here's 3. Next, we need a teaspoon each of the lemon juice and the lime juice. All right, here's the lime juice. Here's a teaspoon of the lemon juice. Then it says a pinch of salt. I just have some Morton salt here. I'm just gonna put some into my hand. Literally take a pinch and chuck the rest. All right, and now we will blend it and see how it comes out. All right, we're gonna do a backup plan because the blender is not really working for me. I'm gonna use the magic bullet instead. All right, I transferred it to the magic bullet. Let's hope it works. Yeah, magic bullet working way better. So the instructions call to blend it for 3 to 5 minutes. So I'm gonna come back when I'm done with the 3 to 5 minutes. As you can see, the magic bullet started to leak and I don't know why. This makes 2 servings, by the way. Let's look to see how far along we are. Ooh, it looks pretty good. I'm gonna blend it one more time and then we're gonna try piping it into the dessert glasses. Okay, so the consistency is super creamy. I took a little taste and it's actually pretty good. So let me now pipe it. These are my little dessert glasses. And I don't have a piping bag, but I'm going to put the mixture into this quart plastic bag. I'm going to put the Dole Whip into here and then cut off a corner and hopefully I'll be able to pipe it in. So let's try that. Hope it works. All right, now I'm gonna cut off a tiny bit of this bottom. I'm gonna try to swirl it in here. Right, well, it's not as pretty as it is when it comes out of the machine at Disney. But here's my final result. This one came out better. I'm just going to put some whipped cream on it and try it. I'm gonna take some whipped cream and put it on the top of mine. So here's the one I have that I think came out pretty good. All right, so it makes it look a little bit better with the whipped cream on top. And now the taste test. All right, here we go. Oh, that's really good. The whipped cream adds a little extra sweetness to it. It's not crazy sweet, so those 3 tablespoons of sugar did not make it crazy sweet. But the coconut milk is giving it that tropical taste, and it tastes like Dole Whip from Disney. This is really good. There are versions with ice cream in it, but I didn't want to do that version. That's one if I guess you would want to do like the swirl with it, with the pineapple and with ice cream, but I chose to not use the ice cream in. This is really good. I'd say this is a success. Well, now you know how to make Dole Whip from Disney. So thank you for tuning into the wonderful world of Wendy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next adventure. Bye.